Long time no see. It's been a minute since we've done an update. So, I honestly don't know what we left off last on the whole update video situation on the 79 Gold Digger. As you can see, we got the Holley EFI set up, Terminator X, and all that stuff is plugged in. We still have to come over here and then drill a hole in the intake for the intake air temperature, or manifold air temperature is technically what it's called. Probably gonna plug that in right there. And for power, when the wiring kit comes in, we have this dangle set up with the, I think that's a 1/0 wire, so it's pretty thick for that power. And I know we have old plug wires on it right now just for startup. It does touch right there, so I'm gonna have to get some 45 to 45 ones. I like the Taylor 409s a lot, so I'll probably get that. And then we got the seats in, as y'all saw last time. We also recently bled the brakes. The brakes are also all set up. I haven't showed that yet. So here is the brake setup. Everything's all hooked up. I got the proportioning valve set up. All the brake lines, everything is bled, so we actually have brakes on it now. I did have to send back the steering box to Classic Industries because this one was leaking real bad. Still waiting on that to come back. It's been weeks now. I have to give them a call sometime. Also here at the front end, I got this new grill, as you can see, we still have to actually put this on properly. It's just sitting in there right now, and then get this front end to pick up some because the old nose cone is, oh, shit. And actually my dad came out here whenever I was out fishing and he hooked up some of the fill lines already. So we're waiting on actually an adapter here for the 6AN 5/16 to 4AN because we're running 4AN for the return. The 6AN send is there, as you can see. Got the fuel lines running right there on the side. Looks very clean, very nice. Out of the way of everything, run straight down. And then I'll come down here and show you what it looks like down here as well. Hopefully the fan noise isn't too loud, but runs all the way down the frame. Comes across here, and then all the way back there to the fuel tank. Yep. And then, as you can see, we also have the e-brake set up. So this one has an e-brake, unlike my truck. And we also need to weld this up. Oh, I haven't shown this either. Oh. I actually did recently do some welding of my own. Welding and cutting of my own. So, we turn down the Adele here, you know. Don't want copyright. Oh, God. There's a massive wasp in here. Oh. Hold on. Motherfucker. Get wrecked, idiot. Get curb stomped. I digress. So, as you can see here, I have some really bad monkey snout welds, but that's okay, because did all the welding and cutting on my own on this one. Those welds aren't to show though, so we'll keep it from a long distance so you can't really see it. But those are my straight pipes for my truck. And then we did some drag racing in the truck a while back. Fastest time I ran was 9:001, and yeah, honestly, I wanted to make a video about that, but I feel like there just wasn't enough footage and not enough talking and stuff like that, so I didn't really feel like uploading that. Felt like it wasn't good enough, but all this is set up. It looks good. I have the painless wiring kit on the way. We have the extra fittings that we need and adapters on the way. There's a whole lot of stuff to do left still, but it's coming along, and I'm coming up on a year birthday of having Gold Digger on July 7th. So this is just going to be a quick update video, just showing you guys what Gold Digger looks like now. And yeah, just keep it short on this one. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.